wanted us to pass so that we can go on.
Well, because it has been a long day. You finally closed your case. Give us a sense of how it feels.
Well, we thank God that we came this far. We have closed our case. So the ball now is in the court of the respondents. That is to say, INEC, Bola Tinubu, and then his deputy, Shetima, and of course, APC. I can assure you that we are ready for their defense. Very, very ready for them to open their case on the 3rd of July. And we'll take it up from there.
So are you pleased with the witnesses called and the documents entered and the whole long jump about INEC?
I am pleased with our presentation of our case. Certainly, you don't expect me to be pleased with the conduct of INEC, which is now in the public domain. But that notwithstanding, we still made impressive presentation. There is one fact that can never be denied, that can never, ever be denied, and that is to say, we tendered blood ballot papers, 18,088. Throughout the course of their cross-examination, there was nowhere they ever challenged those 18,088 blood results. And you know what 18,088, what they mean? You are talking about millions of voters who were denied the opportunity of Nigerians, the candidates, having their votes. You know, they voted. Their votes did not count. On that score alone, INEC should have a sleepless night. On that score alone, that 18,088 results were blood. And that is not all. That is not all. We applied to INEC for CTC, certified true copies of results. And INEC gave us certified true copies of results that are not only blood, but results that contain, instead of results, the images of vehicles, human beings, and the rest of them. I mean, and mutilations. I've never seen anything like that. Instead of results, you find images of human beings, houses, and so many other things. But let's wait for them to open their respective cases. So we'll see what happens.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
See you on the 3rd of July.
Yes, and have a restful weekend.